Hello children, welcome back after the exam. Hope all of you have solved the papers properly. Now, instead of moving ahead, I think we should discuss the solution set first. I have received a few responses and I have decided to discuss the solution set. So let us start. प्रथमः विभागः सुगमसंस्कृतं चित्रं दृष्ट्वा नामानि लिखत. You have to write down the 3 words correctly and you can see in the solution set. The first is mrudu mudra, second is supah, madhura and sthagayati. You should write the words correctly as you can see in the solution set. Many of you have committed the mistakes of writing the matras wrong. Supah, here expected is long u, so if you write short the marks will be deducted. In the same way, madhura, dhu is short, if you write it long it will be wrong. Sthagayati, sthagati many of you have written, so it is actually sthagayati, so write it correctly. Second question, sankhya aksharaihi ankaihi likhata. Navanavatihi, that is 99, and the second one is chaturvimshatihi, where sh is wrongly written here, the other sh is expected, that is of shahamru. Okay, ashtadasha 18. Then samayastambha melanam kuruta, sapada panchavadanam is 5:15 and padona saptavadana is 6:45. If you have written it correctly, you can consider 1 full mark. Next question, that is द्वितीय विभागः गद्यं गद्यांशं पठित्वा निर्दिष्टाः कृतिः कुरुत. Now here, first question, you have to solve 2 questions out of 3. उचितं कारणं चित्वा वाक्यं पुनर्लिखत. एकस्मिन् दिने क्षेत्रपतिना पाशः योजितः यतः मृगः प्रत्यहं तत्र गत्वा सस्यम् अखादत्. This is the right option, this is the right way of writing the answer. It should be written exactly as you see here. Okay, next is satyam asatyam. Here also the whole sentence is to be written. Don't just leave it, write the complete sentence and then write satyam or asatyam, whatever it is. If the space allows, you can write just after the sentence or then below the sentence. Then amarkoshat vakyam samanartham shabdam yojayitva vakyam punarlikhata. Here Harinah is the option which I have written. You can write the other word which is given in Amarkosh in book. No other word is to be written. Then Purvakalvachak dhatu saditvantavyay likhata. So Gatva and Drushtva, these are the 2 answers. Then Visheshana Visheshayoho melanam kshetram sasyapurnam bhojanam prabhutam. Purvapadam uttaram padam likhata. Vane plus asmin, pashan plus etan. See, you can see in the solution set, mark correct if it is written as you see. Then next passage and the next question, uchitam paryayam chitva vakyam punarlikhata. Antimah ghatakaha moolam tatvam. These are the 2 correct words, answers, and should be written as you see in the answer solution set. Then Purnavakyena uttaram likhata. Here the complete verse can be written. In this particular solution set, a little mistake is there. It is Jala Surya Marichi Stham. It should be Stham. By mistake it has become Syam. And Drushyate Sha is also different. But you can refer the book and it's given in book in the correct manner. Same way, Esha Gadyamshah Sa eva Paramanuhu. Visarga is expected, which is missing over here. And Pathat Ta should be Halant. Make those changes. It should be Sa eva Paramanuhu. Then Jalarekha Chitram, here also first option is Niravayavaha. It has become Miravayavaha here, but it is Niravayavaha. Refer the book, refer the passage, you will get the words correct, and the words you can see, those are to be written as in the book. Then Tritiyaha Pathaha, before that, yes, here Madhyama Bhashaya Sararartham Likhata. Here you were supposed to write down only translation of one passage which by mistake was not printed. So keep it in mind that you have to translate only one passage which carries 4 marks. The translations are already given to you. Refer the translations and write the translations correct in the correct manner. Nothing else is expected. Then madhyama bhashaya uttaram likhata. Here only one answer you have to write down, where reference is a must. You have to write down the reference for every answer. Reference includes the chapter from which the question has been taken and a few lines about the chapter, and then come to the answer, and then the ending of the answer. It should have at least 8 to 10 lines, and then only you can get full marks. So this is also, few of you have written right nicely, few of you have left the reference. So reference is mandatory, compulsory. तृतीय विभागः पद्यं पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरं लिखत. एरण्डः कुत्र द्रुमायते. निरस्तपादपे देशे. देशे श is different. This sh is not expected. You can get it in the verse properly. Just above that you can see the word correctly written. एरण्डः द्रुमायते. देन् विशेषण विशेष्य रूपम अधिकम विद्या परम दैवतम. जालरेखाचित्रम अगेन छेदनेन निघर्षणेन तापेन ताडनेन. इट शुड बी एक्झॅक्टली द वे इट इज रिटन. णचा न करायचा नाही, अदरवाइज इट विल बी रॉंग. देन षष्ठी विभक्तिपदे नरस्य गुरुणाम. 2 वर्ड्स वेर इन षष्ठी. देन संधि एरण्डः प्लस अपि एंड अद्य प्लस एव. पद्ये शुद्धे पूर्णे च लिखत. Here you have to write down the verses as given in book, then you will get marks, full marks. Otherwise, according to the mistakes, your marks also will be deducted. So make sure that you will not lose any mark here. Have practice, more and more practice of writing down the verses every day. Then saralartham likhata. Only one verse you have to translate. The verses for translation are already recommended, so go through the translations, prepare well. Then चतुर्थः विभागः भाषाभ्यासः. मंजुषातः नामानि सर्वनामानि च पृथक् कुरुत. So the नाम are मनुजा मृगः and सर्वनाम are अहम सर्वे तया. क्रियापद धातुसाधित विशेषण अवदत् तिष्ठन्तु आनयति are क्रियापदम, and धातुसाधित विशेषण is gatah and jatah. When I explain the lesson at that time, I keep telling you this particular word is a धातुसाधित विशेषण. So make notes of all this thing and don't commit mistakes while solving this question. निर्दिष्टा कृतिः कुरुतः. कुरुत, you have to write down 2 correct sentences. The answer of first is dvivaram, the answer of second is shad, and the answer of third is dashamah masah. All these sentences are from the book itself. Nothing is out of book. Then samasa vigraha. चिंतया आकुलः तृतीया तत्पुरुष. प्रयागम नाम क्षेत्र कर्मधारय समास. न परिचितः नय. नय, the ya wala word has to be halant. नय तत्पुरुषः. शुकाः च सारिकाः च इतरेतर द्वन्द्वः. नित्याम निपुणः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः. क्षुद्रा बुद्धि यस्य सः बहुव्रीहि समास. ओके. देन मंजुषातः समानार्थक शब्दान् विरुद्धार्थक शब्दान् चित्वा लिखत. वृक्षः तरुः. रासभः गर्दभः. समानः भिन्नः. सुकृतं दुष्कृतं. You can see there in front of your eyes. Next, योग्यं पर्यायं चिनुत. First sentence is कर्तृवाच्यम. Second, the answer of second is त्वं धनुः त्यज and not त्यजतु. The correct answer is त्यज. And प्रजाः अतीव कृशाः आसन्. This is the question, last one, where you have to work a little hard. You will get some dhatu and some avyay, and you have to frame your own sentences. I have told you the sentences are there in the book also. You can write the same sentences also, but writing down the correct sentence is very necessary. Just for an example, I have given you a single sentence of each dhatu and each avyay. सह एक्सपेक्ट्स तृतीया. सो रामेण सह सीतावनम गच्छत. रुच चतुर्थी. इट एक्सपेक्ट्स चतुर्थी. गणेशाय रक्तपुष्पम रोचते. नमः गुरवे नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः. So many words can be, so many sentences can be framed. And gama dvitiya. Now here many of you have committed mistakes. The place where you are going, that has to be mentioned. Pathashalam gacchati. Ramah gacchati will not be a correct sentence. It is a wrong sentence. The place where some person is going, that has to be mentioned. Chhatraha udyanam gacchanti. Anything, but the place has to be mentioned. So hope you have understood the lesson, the solution set properly, question paper properly, and I know that next time all of you are going to get full marks. Thank you.